Hi. So, I just got this just to say thanks to Pastellicl, Pastellicl, Pastellicl. I think that's how you say it. But so this dude right here, just got scams of a couple spikes and stuff. Two long collars and a short, and he said everybody she said everybody that got scams or that was there during the scam come to my den. So everybody went to her den, and this is everybody that was there. And she said, okay, everybody put bad on trade. I don't care if you got scammed or not, you put bad on trade. And she gave everybody something good. And I just want to say thanks for that. So this is just, the whole video is just a shout out, a huge shout out to Pastellicl. So I didn't get scammed at all, and she gave me all of this and another thing. I guess it was a den item, that's why it's not here, but I saw 5. So, I didn't. She's all sad now because people aren't actually trying, because she is telling, because some people are not accepting what she wants to give them. She is saying she's all sad now because, oh my gosh, it's so laggy right now. I don't know why. Video right now. Just letting her know. Oh, I wanted to give her something, but she won't put anything on shade, and then. Okay, so I don't know who the scammer's name was. It was something like Baj. I don't know. He buddied me, but of course, after getting scammed, he unbuddied me. It was a super long name. I don't remember the user. There's something like, I just remember BAJ at the beginning, because I don't know. I don't remember what the whole user was. Something like Baj. I didn't record it because I didn't have a recording thing, but I would have. So yeah. So this person right here got scammed pretty bad. If you guys want to send your stuff, I don't know. Okay. But yeah, just huge shout out to her. I just give her whatever. Okay. Whatever y'all guys can. If she will put. So yeah, thank you so much, Pastellicl, and I just thank you. She actually has a YouTube channel herself, so I'm gonna put that in the whatchamacallit description, so you guys can go check it out and subscribe to her. Yeah, huge shout out to her. Okay, bye.